welcome to my YouTube channel Life Like One. Today we ask about DNA repair. DNA repair are many types: basic excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, and translation synthesis mismatch repair, and homologous recombination and end joining. Recognition of damage: nucleotide excision repair machinery part of the transaction. Repair include suppressor, replication errors, situations, splice and microsatellite instability. Unlike nuclear excision repair, we are not obviously which damage which there should be a template. Need to be identified, recently synthesized, stored. DNA replications are many types, and it is used many types of enzyme breaking, hydrolysis, bond hydrolysis due to DNA replication, helicase enzyme, and DNA ligase enzyme. These two wall gaps of DNA molecules. As we know that DNA repair are the many types of steps and excision and synthesis and ligation. Thank you so much, and follow us on YouTube.